All right, hey, Dana here. We're back. We're bleeding this system. Supposedly, I can't seem to find any bleed. I can't find any bleed screws. How's my hot water? How's my lines here? It's gonna get me. Oh. I'm not seeing it. That is a bleed hose. Just loosen that up. Should be able to get air coming through the system and coming out through that. Okay, I'll pull that off of that little wheat bleeder. One down in here too. See it? Little tube right there. That's another bleeder, but it appears to be plugged off because I haven't got any fluid out of there. Next step here is to see if she's going to start. I'll put a fresh battery in there, and hopefully she's going to start. Now I know I've got to keep messing with that relay. Make sure the fuel pump kicks in before I start it. Okay, I got no fuel pump. Don't worry about it right now. Alright, so I got to disconnect the relay, plug the relay in so the pump kicks in. Alright. Alright. No pump. Come on. Why is the pump not running? There it goes. I heard it. Alright. Like I said, I don't know where it's cut off, but I want to close that up. We still got the this is hot here, so that's coming back. That's coming back out, going back to the radiator. This bottom one's coming out of the radiator through the pump and then back into the system here. So this should be cooler than this. but we still don't have a good circulation here. Okay, I had this off. I kept putting fluid through. All right, so it was pissing out of the black hose as well as pissing out of the that nipple. So I think it means I might have both taken care of. And I'll put a little more in here. So I think we got full. On. All right. So still putting coolant in. Might be it. All right. Okay, we'll start it up. See if that sucks it down. Sucks it around. All right. All righty. Leak there. Looking good there. Suspension. It's the action. It's like the coolant sensor cooled down. How'd it down? Alright, starting to bubble over here. Got cover. Alright, where are you? Okay, let's put the cover back on. Alright, let's watch the temp sensor go back up. Still got air. We still got air in the system here somehow. I'm not sure. Wait for it to cool down again. Pump is pumping. I'm impressed. Alright. Now you can shut off. Alright, so I've got to wait for this to cool down a little bit. And then we'll do it again. Let's go ahead and pull that off again. Get it back out there. Careful of this thing because it's freaking. It's hot. It'll scald your ass. Oh, get out. You're up there. Let's pull it out again. Let's put some more antifreeze. Yeah, so it's running out. Kicking air out. Kicking that air out. Just pull back at me. Nope, it's still overheating. Making me happy. It's just one thing. There's a freaking another. Yeah, we just got steam blowing out of there. We shouldn't have steam blowing out of there. Going. Alright, put this in the front. Yes. start her up again, see if we got any, because it should cool right down with the fluid running in it. So. Oh, she's not accepting it for some reason. I don't know. The only thing I can think of is the damn pump. Pump is not functioning. It should be, because I locked it in there and I know it was turning when I was cranking it. Cool. That's hot. I don't know why it isn't. Oh! Yeah, we got freaking. We're gonna go ahead and let it cool down completely. We gotta go shopping. So I'll let it cool down. By the time I get back, should be good and cool. I gotta buy some more antifreeze. I don't know. I could use a tool. Hate using old antifreeze, huh? Freeze that came out of it. I know the pump's got to be functioning because I'm getting movement up front. Dang it! Oh. Can't tell you what the heck's going on. Alright, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and let her cool down. And I'll check it when I get home. Because I'm putting antifreeze in the front and it's rolling out through that bleed hole. The system is cool. It's feeling as hot here. Ouch, it is. And then it's cool here. So that's the way it should be, and it should be going back to the radiator. So all I can do now is just go ahead and wait for it to, and then we'll get a better start on it when we do it. All right. All right, stay tuned. At least it's starting and running real good, isn't it? Other than I can't get the cooling system to cooperate now. Back, and I accomplished what I needed to do. So finally, got it bled. Everything's looking awesome right now. Temperature came up just a little bit on that. Come on. There she goes. Okay. Been running for a little while. It's keeping it right down there. Flowed right through. Now, how you can check, make sure. I had my hand on here. This was warm. This should be a little more than you can touch it. All right. Also, when you come up front, you've got these lines right here coming out of the radiator itself. This one's got, this is return. It's freaking hot. You barely can touch it. This one here is going back to it, and it's cooler. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so I didn't have, these were both cold until all of a sudden, boom, I was squeezing right here and right here with the top open, and that pushed the last of that air out of that system. And now everything should be, that's hot, that's return. This is cold. This is going to the motor. And then, again, you can touch right here. This is coming into the motor, and this is going out. So this should be much hotter than right here. Okay? And as we've been running, as you see, it hasn't moved temperature-wise. Nope, it just jumped up. Alright, so let's put the fan on, and that should drop that back down. That's cooling the radiator right now, and then all should go back down, drop right down to C. The one drop. Come on. That fan running, it should drop down. We're just sitting here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's drop. I was hoping it was going to drop. Maybe it's going to be normal. There it goes. Boom. There we go. Okay, so you can see that. That worked fine. Where we're at. You can see I've been running. We'll slow down here with the fan off. We got it. We finally got it bled. Alright, let me turn it off. I can turn the fan off. She ain't gonna get hot anymore. Alright, like I said, this is the dude, whoever had it, got it manually overrode it. So we now have the cooling system bled, which you can see was a chore. Here we go. Alright. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, and we will catch you on the next Project Moto Z6.